So let's consider example number 1. 45a squared b raised to 5 divided by negative 3ab raised to 3. So as you can see, if we divide a polynomial, you need first to find those common terms. And ito, 45 and 3, negative 3 can be simplified, and that is negative 15. So we have this one, negative 15. And take note, yung dito, may the same din tayo, which is, dito sila, yan. A squared and a. So, if we dividing polynomial, ang variable, so let's recall. So, during your elementary, for example, a sub n divided by a sub m. So, if they have the same variable, then that's pwede. No? Then, that is equal to a. Then, just copy dito yung n, yung nasa taas. Yung denominator, i-minus mo. And that will be the how to divide the variable with dealing an exponent. So, dito, that is equivalent to a. Bakit dito sa pula. A. Try ko nga to. Squared. No, masyadong light. Black. Red. And ito. Purple. Yan. Okay, balik tayo. This one is 2. Then, yung sa ilalim is 1. So, here we have that one. The same thing with B. So, B, B, bakit hindi na to? B raised to 5. Then, just, dito, yung 3, minus 3. Kasi yun yung sa ilalim. Then, we are done for this, negative 15. 2 minus 1, so magiging 1 na lang. So, just write it b raised to 5 minus 3, that is b squared. And this is the final answer. Okay, so how about this one, number 2? So for number 2, we have this 18 x cubed minus 6x squared minus 27 x plus 9, then divided by 3x. Divided by 3x. So this one, you can see that we broken, no? Kumbaga, we will break down for each term. So ito, we can rewrite this. We can rewrite this as 18x cubed divided by 3x minus 6x squared divided by 3x minus 27 divided by 3x. This is 27x pala yan, plus 9 over 3x. So dito, as you can see, ito, we can cancel this one, so yung matitira dyan is 2 dyan, no? 2 na lang. Ba't ang damol? Okay, anyway, no? Ito, we can cancel this one and ito, and then we will have, or we can write n 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3, that is 6. So lagay natin dyan 6, tapos ito is x3 minus 1 minus ito 6x pala, so that is 2x squared minus 1, kasi 1 yan di lang nilalagay. So, within 7, that is 9. So, x yan kay 1, tapos minus 1. Plus, ito, we can write this one, 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Then, hindi naman makancel, so remain lang yung x. Ang matitira dyan is 6x. Ito 2 na lang. Minus, ayan, 2x. Ito lang dito. So, ito, x raised to 0. Kasi 1 minus 1, 0. So, magiging 1, negative 9 matitira. And the last is, ayan. So, this will be your final answer. Okay. And now, we will deal on example number 3. Lagay ko na lang dito. Example 3. What if we are dealing on with a binomial or another polynomial? Yung divisor natin is binomial. So let's consider itong 2x cubed plus sabihin natin 5x plus 2 na lang. Sige. That is divided by x minus 2. So, ang first mong lantawan, remember of long division. Okay, so the long division is example 3 divided by 156. Yan. Lagyan natin yan para may remainder. So, ginagawa is we divide this one. Yan. So, that is 5. Tapos, multiply. No? Multiply natin yung 5 dito sa 3. And that is 15. Tapos, nire-reverse natin yung operation. So, maging 0. Then, break down din 6 na to. Tapos, divide and so on. So, the same process yung gagawin natin dito sa number 3 na example. So, let's rewrite and take note na ito, naka 3 to, no? This one, naka 3. And ito 1 lang. So, it means may missing tayong isa. So, take note na kailangan nating maglagay dyan ng plus 0x squared plus 5x plus 2. And then, sorry, mali yung nilagay. Yan. And ito. Yan. So, x minus 2. Then, ito, 2x squared, divide mo dito kay x. Yung so 2x cubed, 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. Then, multiply mo dyan. Ito, no? This one, multiply mo dito kay x. So, magiging 2x cubed. Tapos, yan, multiply again this 2x squared sa next term, that is negative 2x. So, magiging negative 4x squared. And then, again, we will reverse that thing. Inverse pala ng ng sign. O yan, negative. This one is positive. So, eto. So, yan. Magiging 0 na to. Tapos, ito, magiging 4x squared. Tapos, bring down dito si positive 5x. Base ko lang to. Then, after that one, so after that one, repeat yung process. Ito si 4x squared divided by x. So, magiging 4x. So, plus 4x. 4x yan. So, 4x. Tapos, multiply again this 4x sa kay x. Magiging 4x squared ulit. And next is yung 4x multiply this one sa dito kay negative 2. So, magiging negative 8x. And again, no, mag-i-inverse tayo ng kanilang sign. This will become positive. And then, magiging ito cancel. At yung matitira dito, 5x plus 8x is 13x. Then, bring down yung ito, 2. And ito, divide mo dyan ulit by x. And that is equal to 13. 13, again, 13 times mo to by x, magiging 13x yan. And then, the same thing yung mangyayari. Itong 13 times negative 2, that is negative 26. Then, reverse tayo ng kanilang mga signs. Inverse, I mean, positive. Okay, so this one cancel. Tapos, ito will become positive 28. So, as you can see, wala ka nang i-breakdown. So, therefore, this one is a remainder. And the answer is, you can write dito. So, 2x squared plus 4x plus 13. Then, plus, meron kang 28 divided by x minus 2. And, pangit naman ito. Sorry. Or dito ka na lang sa taas maglagay, no? Plus 28 over x minus 2. Okay, and that's how to solve using long division on polynomials. So how about the next one? This process is what we call the synthetic division. Okay, let me erase na lang dito. So ito yung first, no, number 1 na method. Itong number 2 na method is what we call the synthetic division. So the synthetic division is parang kinukuha mo lang tanan na constant yan. Tapos perform lang yung parang gumagawa ka na lang without variable. Kinukuha doon. No? But take note that this one is only for binomial na divisor. This is for binomial na divisor lang talaga. Yan. Divisor. Sorry. Yan. So, first, dito, x minus 2 tayo. So, yung x minus 2 mo, equate mo yan sa 0. So, therefore, yung x mo is equal to 2. So, etong 2, lagay mo dyan. Tapos, kunin mo yung mga constant. Yung constant is, eto, di ba? Yan. Ito yan, 2, 0, 5, and 2. So, write mo dyan. 2, 0, 5, and 2. Then, after that one, bring down na. So, down ka dito, bring down mo dito, tapos multiply mo sa loob. So, down ka, that is 2. Then, 2 times 2. So, multiply tayo dyan. You can just put dito yan. First step dito, first, second. Yan. I'm sorry. First, you need to down, bring down. And then, second is multiply. So, after that, multiply ka. So, first, down ka na, 2. Multiply na yun. Dito, 2 times 2. So, yung answer is, dito mo lagay. Equals, yan. So, that is 4. Then, after that one, this one is third step. No? And, perform addition. That is yung fourth step. Ibahin ko na lang kulay nito. Parang say. So this one is fourth. Yan, lagay ko na lang dyan. Add. So 0 plus 4, that is 4. And then repeat the process. So repeat mo again. 2 times 4 plus mo dito 8 yan. So 2 times 4 that is 8. Pagkatapos nyan 5 plus 8, so that is 13. Then after nyan 2 times 13 that is 26. And last is add mo tong 2 plus 26, that is 28. And take note na yung degree ng ating divisor is 1. Degree 1 to. So, yung ating dinidivide, ito, degree 2 yung highest. Sorry, dito pala, 3. So, ito, 3. Ito. So, therefore, 3 minus 1, that is 2.